Commando? It's been a long time since I played Commando. Wait! What's that Mando? Hell yeah. That's the Wolfhead quality of life. I mainly just got... Oh my god, my green screen. Oh my god. Mainly just have Wolfhead quality of life, but the end screen, to be honest. Probably be using that. Maybe, may not. They're usually pretty risky. As Hiker's Boots, never mind. Never mind, we're going to Hiker's Boots because it's a lot less risk, but just way more benefit. The items stand out really obviously on my character, it's funny. Can you hit me? Oh shit. I'm gonna hit this run one more time. If it doesn't give me stuff, I'm gonna be very mad because this is already 3.5 minutes in and I have one item. Hey! Oh man, that's actually really good. Wait, I think Hiker's Boots is like probably like the best white in the game right now. So like, even though the Soldier Syringe is like amazing, not much of an upgrade really, but whatever. I'm just gonna you know, whatever. Oh, these shrines, so like, at least it gave me the item on the first hit, I guess, but man, these shrines suck. Okay, well, that's goat hoof. I kinda need goat hoof. This is what I am within the... Fuck, man. When I am within the scenario where I can gain stacks for Hiker's Boots and gain them very, very quickly. What the fuck? What is this shrine, bruh? Like, what is this shrine? 118 on stage 1? What are we doing? There's a movement speed item, alright. Yeah, sometimes Hiker's Boots is kinda inconsistent, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, one hope you feather, and you win. We got 8 items this stage, by the way. I love Titanic planes. This took way too long for 8 items. I'm just wondering whether just turning all of them into Hiker's Boots would have been better for 5 Hiker's Boots. But probably not. I want survivability. I used my secondary once, I got 20 full stacks, like... Oh no, I don't have my stacks. Oh shit. Yeah, I can get them pretty easily. One of my drones died? Are we serious? But he already died. Oh, there's a blazing music. Regen scrap stage 1. This little jit will pop off, trust. How did he died up there? What are we doing? I'm gonna play super cautious. What? Where is... Figment of my imagination. Isn't even real. He is real! What? I'm so confused. Oh! Pretty good stage 1. Incredible, like, generation stage 1 pool. If you say so myself. Speed stacks. I got no attack speed bonuses or nothing. That's just me being awesome. Oh, we're doing this, are we? Alright. We're doing this today. Alright. Man. Oh, the rats stress me out so much. I hate them. Every fiber in my body. Yeah. Okay, we're running capacitor today. I really need like healing or something. Oh man, he hit me.
Bird up.
Oh, that's good. Not a feather, but... Oh. Take spaces. That's amazing. Oh my god, bro. Look at my damage. Look at my damage. Oh, there's two of them. Alright. I meant to hit the other one with that, I'm not gonna lie. Hey, penis. So good at looting. Like literally the best looter anyone has ever seen. And there's another key in there. I don't really know why I bothered looking in multi-shops in case there's a credit card. Like, I don't really need a credit card to start with. Game seems to really want me to take that. And I'm very tempted to, don't get me wrong. But it's in that other multi-shop too. I've just been thinking about Hiker's Boots this entire run. It was the first thing I encountered, it was the Hiker's Boots first most notable thing of the run was the Hiker's Boots Windows they're trying. This natural crit, that's really good. It's better than more Hiker's Boots. I mean, honestly, when you have a couple Hiker's Boots, getting both Lens Makers and Hiker's Boots is probably better. Getting a mix of both, because you don't always have the higher elevation advantage. Like you've already got the stacks or something from the Hiker's Boots, and you're fighting things from a higher elevation than you. Just can appreciate the extra crit chance. Okay. Pull. Never mind if I do. Easy GG's. My drones are getting cooked. I do not need to be acting like I'm coping with other. And the fact that it's not. The second noxious storm. 3 noxious storms! There's zero reason to actually go to Country Camp, you know? But like, I just kinda wanna, you know? I do at this stage anyway. Kinda locked the fuck in right now, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the reason why I was actually gonna do something there for a minute. So short for the damage. Insane. Oh, that's good. This is intense. Might get up for a little bit in a minute. Take a breather. Oh, you. Well, there goes my gun adjourn, I guess. It is just dead off the map. There is a credit card, but there's also a gun, and I think it's pretty obvious which one I'm gonna take. No, why not? Fine. You know what? No, I shouldn't. I know I shouldn't, because I need the raw capacity, but... Okay. Come on. Shit, I want the Shadow Spoon, bruh. I actually really want the Shadow Spoon as well. That's gonna fall off the map. Oh, it fell off the map. Oh, it fell off the map. It fell off the map. It fell off the map. Oh, 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 it fell off the map. Oh no, it fell off the map. Oh no, I have no equipment for literally no reason. I didn't get any boss item. I don't get any I didn't get any boss item. Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? And when I'm just trying to get somewhere so I don't die. Holy shit, my damage is insane. Where's the top? Look at the damage on the top ones. How did I manage that? Oh man, that's gonna hit me. It's fine, I have. This is dying. I'm a foreign believer! There we go. Now I have 40 stacks. Well, way stronger. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Oh, they hit me still? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck was that? This thing better die. I'm gonna be very upset if it doesn't die. Oh man, oh man. It's fine, it's fine. Why is it only at 75%? Oh, it's dying a burn. Wait, it's dying a burn. Look at the burn on it. Whew. Oh, I actually beat it. Oh man, I actually beat it. Okay. Ooh. Is he actually kind of a threat now? I'm so confused. He looks like he's kind of a threat now. Fine though, because we'll be able to get... We have tons of money, what the hell? Roll of pennies, probably? That's your invalidators, what? When were invalidators introduced here? Yes. Another ring. Pretty good. They do exist! They do exist! And it's too bad I only have one red and it's network suffering, but like... they do exist! I knew they could spawn, I thought they could spawn, I was skeptical maybe it was like a mod or something when I saw one spawn for somebody. They do just spawn sometimes, it's just very rare. Let's make a red scrap. A quick fix, I guess. Hold on. It's a hard bargain. I lost a lot. I'm gonna lock the fuck in. And like, elixir. Such an easy thing to pick. I got 4 stacks of thing. That's not good. Holy shit. Oh man, my stacks. Oh man, that was a bit scary. When can we please? Well, he's almost dead, so hopefully he won't kill me then. Everyone died except for the DZ. And it's sending me. Why can't you... Bro, what is sending me hook even made out of, bro? Whew. I have so much AoE. It's not even kind of funny. I have so much Doogie stage. It's kind of cool. Like, you gotta give it that. Like, it's pretty cool. Like, my god, this stage kind of sucks. Okay, another red. Alright. But that's fine by me. Actually, I would take that. I have a scrapper. Again. You know, that would be just great if I could have a scrapper. God forbid I have a scrapper. Would go with it. Just 90 armor. Best buddy! What do you call it? I'm a bit close. my woodland stats. Holy shit! Did not need 5 times the cover.
Nice shot!
Okay. He did actually hit me. Oh, he hit me again. I feel like I'm missing Don't worry, my roll of pennies is giving me all the money in the world. God, look at these shit, please. Oh man. This shooting long enough. Why are you shooting at me? What are you doing? Some of the items at the end. Yeah, he does.
Meow. Meow.
Can I... Bruh. Damage dealt for this run's gonna be crazy. Yeah. They like... Multi's like goated, I guess. 3 green scrap. I guess 4, yeah, 4, probably 5, 6, 7 green scrap. Was that 7 green scrap and 8 white scrap at the end of the run? I would have 7 green scrap and 8 white scrap at the end of the run.